Your times tables are just something you have to know to make everything else in maths easier for you, and your 9 times table is particularly difficult to remember. Did you know though, there is a trick you can do with your fingers to get the basics right every single time? Okay, so this is how it works. We label all our digits from 1 to 10, and when we want to know a number in the 9 times table, we just put down the relevant number. For example, if we want to know 2 times 9, we put down our second finger, and we look at everything to the left, there's 1 there, and that goes in our tens column, and everything to the right, it's 8 left there, that goes in our units column. So we have 18, 2 times 9 is 18. And this works for the entire 9 times table all the way up to 10 times 9. We have 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. You'll never forget your 9 times table again.